Hi guys, in this video we will see how to schedule text messages with iOS 18 update on your iPhone. After iOS 18 update, you can schedule text messages, send letter options. Go to message, photo, choose messages, choose address which you want to send, and here tap on plus sign against typing field. Type any text and it will hide out. So simply tap on plus sign, and here under drop down menu you will see a message send letter. Tap on it. Choose a time, date and time which you want to send this message. We will choose today 12:16 p.m. and tap on blue icon to send messages. Today 12:17 p.m. it will send, and your message, text messages or photo image messages will be sent on scheduled time. You have set it. So send letter feature is the latest feature of iPhone. After iOS 18 update, you can schedule your text messages on your iPhone to send letter. That's all.